Searching the web. Internet search engines. There are about 1.5 billion websites on the Internet today, but about 85% of them are inactive. That means there are about 225 million websites with information to access. Looking for a needle in a haystack that big would be impossible without search engines, computer programs that search the web for pages and sites that contain keywords or phrases entered into the search bar. The engine searches for your terms across the web and returns a results page with a list of web pages that are relevant to the words you entered. The goal for many corporate and organization websites is to appear high on the results page when popular keywords for their business are entered. This is important because the higher up your site appears in the results, the more visitors you will get to the site. Search engine optimization, SEO, is a collection of methods that can increase rankings in search results, including techniques like adding links to the page that contain the keywords, optimizing the content so that it can easily be found and indexed by the engines, meta tags, and title tags. Search engines include bots called spiders or web crawlers that are coded to search, find, and index content so that it's easily retrieved, increasing the speed at which results can be served to the user. The first search engines were created in the 1990s, and three popular search sites, InfoSeek, WebCrawler, and Yahoo, emerged in 1994. These were followed in the next couple of years by AltaVista, Ask Jeeves, and Lycos. In the late 1990s, Google entered the market and since that time has become the most popular web search engine. In fact, based on Internet traffic statistics, Google.com is the most often visited website on the Internet. Billions of Google users search for about 3.5 billion search terms every day, and that's not even counting how many users are logged onto Google to use their suite of applications. In order to conduct effective searches using a search engine like Google, you need to know a little bit about how it works. Choose your search terms carefully. The first thing to consider is that the search engine is looking for words and combinations of words that appear on specific web pages. So when you think about which words to use, search for words that you think would be used on the website. For example, instead of searching with the phrase, "Do I have a cold or the flu?" it would be more effective to search for cold symptoms and flu symptoms because this is most likely how these subjects would be presented on a medical website. Use Boolean search terms. In addition to keywords, search engines use operators called Boolean search terms to help you filter your results. The three most important to know are and, or, and not. These must be used in all capital letters for them to work. If you use and, you only get pages that contain both words. For example, if you enter this search string, privacy security, you'll get pages that contain the word privacy and pages that contain the word security. But if you enter this string, privacy and security, then you'll only get pages that contain both of the words. If you use this string, privacy or security, you'll get pages that have one of the words or both. And if you use this string, privacy not security, you'll get pages that contain privacy but that do not contain security. Use quotation marks. If you want to find pages that have a very specific phrase, put quotation marks around your search terms. Without quotation marks, the engine searches for each word in the string. But with quotation marks, the engine searches only for pages that have the words in that exact combination. For example, if you entered this search string, digital media history, you will get different returns than if you used, quote, history of digital media, unquote. Use the filter tabs. On Google and most other search sites, you'll find some tabs above the search term entry box such as All, Videos, Images, News, Shopping, More. These tabs can help you filter down the types of results you'll get. This is most useful when you are searching for image assets to use in digital media you are creating. For example, if you enter the search string elephants communicating into the search box and then choose videos, you'll only get results that are videos that cover the topic of elephant communication. But if you use the same search string and click news, then you'll get results that are articles and news stories about elephant communication. Use search shortcuts. If you want to find a specific type of file or a specific genre of website, the shortcuts are very handy. For example, if you want to get results that are PDF files, start your search string with PDF : For example, PDF : quote, mobile phone security, unquote, will return a list of PDFs that use the exact phrase mobile phone security. Or if you want to only get film reviews of a recent film you went to see, start your search string with review : For example, review : Star Wars will return only film reviews of Star Wars. Last, if you want to find related or similar types of sites to a website you already know, start your string with related : For example, related : Amazon.com will turn up websites that are like Amazon. Conclusion. As a digital media professional, you'll be working with the Internet every day. You might specialize in the creation of digital elements that are posted online, like digital photographs and images, animations, audio files, or videos. Or you could become an expert on the networks that transmit data, the hardware that stores, sends, and receives it, or the languages, protocols, and applications used to design, create, publish, and maintain the sites that comprise the www.